Hello and welcome class 7 students. Today in this class I am going to show you some important geometry which can come for your first unit test exam. So these geometry that I am doing today is very important for your first unit test exam. So please follow today's class carefully. Suppose a geometrical figure is given to you, that is a triangle. Suppose a triangle is given to you and you are being told that the value of the three angles you have to find out. The value of the three angles are equal. See, the value of the three angles are given x, x and x respectively. All the values of these three angles is given x. You are required to find out the value of each of these angles which is given as x. That means we can understand that the value of the three missing angles are equal because the values are same, the values are x. You have to find out these equal values of this triangle. Now from this figure we can easily understand that this figure is an equilateral triangle. Why? Why this figure is an equilateral triangle? Because the three angles are equal. Only in case of equilateral triangle, the three angles are equal because the three sides are also equal. This must be an equilateral triangle. However, we know that the value of the sum of all the angles of a triangle, we know that the sum of all the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. We all know that the sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. This we all know. Therefore, according to the problem, x plus x plus x, x plus x plus x, the 3x if we add, we are going to get 180 degree. Why? Because the sum of all the angles of a triangle is always 180 degree, that we know. So it is 180 degree. So 3x equals to 180 degree. X plus x, that is 3x equals to 180 degree, or x equals to 180 degree by 3. X equals to 180 degree by 3, whose value is 60 degree. If you cancel this, you are going to get 60 degree. So x is equal to 60 degree we are getting. X, the value of x we are getting as 60 degree. Therefore, each angle value is 60 degree. Because all the angles are equal. So each angle of this triangle which is x is equal to 60 degree. Thus we can understand that this is an equilateral triangle. All the angles are 60 degree, all the angles are same, and all the angles are only same if the triangle is an equilateral triangle. So I hope you can understand how to solve these type of sums. Now I will draw another figure for you so that you can understand how to solve these geometrical figures. I am rubbing the board. Suppose another geometrical figure is given to you, that is, again a triangle is being drawn. A triangle is being drawn. triangle is being drawn. Now, the value of these angles are given. Suppose it is given x, this is given x, and this is given 2x. You are required to find out the value of all the angles. Here you can notice that the base angles are equal. The base angles are equal. When the base angles are equal, the base angles are equal only when the two sides are equal. If two sides of a triangle are equal, only then the base angles are always equal. Now when the two sides are equal, this triangle must be an isosceles triangle. This triangle must be an isosceles triangle because the base angles are equal. Base angles of isosceles triangle are equal only because two sides of an isosceles triangle are always equal. However, you will solve the sum like the way you have solved the previous sum. What you will write? That the sum of all the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. The sum of all the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. According to the problem, like the one we have done previously, so there you will write, according to the problem, x plus 2x equals to 180 degree. Now you have to solve this equation like the way we have solved the previous sum. Now this becomes 4x. 4x equals to 180 degree. So now you have to find out the value of x. Now x equals to 180 degree divided by 4. 180 degree divided by 4 gives you 45 degree. 45 degree. So x is equal to 45 degree. Therefore 2x equals to 45 degree. 45 degree into 2, that is 90 degree. That is 90 degree. So x is 45 degree, x is 45 degree and 2x is 90 degree. In this way, we will solve the sums given as geometrical figures if this type of sums come. This is the way to solve the sum. I hope whatever I have explained with the help of these two diagrams, you can understand this. In my next class, I am going to come up with some more important sums for the first unit test exam. So, follow the classes. Till then, goodbye.